Today we'll talk about how can you add stickers on your NovelToon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, click here on mine down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on my stickers, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this, and here can you add your stickers, just click here on add. Then here, because that you have to get points here, when you just click on, or here can you watch a video, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.